Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing look and review at the M30 Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. They're the pill style, so let's open it up and take a look. So in the box they also give you some extra tips, but these are what they look like. Kind of very Apple AirPod-esque. Little fingerprint looking sensor there. Comes on and charges. That's the beauty about these boxes is like they're a battery themselves, so they will recharge over time. And you can see the battery level there, which is nice. And the other good thing is it's USB 3, so you get your reversible cable. And then flip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair these with my phone, listen to some music, and report back. So all in all, good experience with these guys. I listened to a bunch of songs on YouTube, and I gotta say the bass is incredible. Bass seems to be slightly too high, almost so you can't hear some of the mids once in a while. But depending on the type of music you listen to, like I listen to a lot of very bassy hip hop or old school hip hop, and you know, just taking regular calls and just regular drum and bass and alternative music, these are fantastic. One thing that's interesting about these is they fit right in your ear. Like it was a really snug fit. I've never had something where I'm like, oh, I got to change the tips or I got to change the wings, like to make it work for my ear canal. But these fit perfect. So all in all, I think these are a great unit and definitely worth checking them out and picking them up. Fantastic price, and just throw in your gym bag, and hopefully you'll be able to push yourself even harder because of that deep bass and that awesome music. Have a great day.